Literally, you could make some good income online without having any skills, and in this video I'm going to reveal that particular strategy with which you could be making this awesome money online. Not everyone is doing this stuff, and that's the reason why there is a huge chance that you could be making some very awesome income online with this strategy. But before we jump into this genius strategy, just smash the like button as well as also smash the subscribe button so that you will get notified every time we come up with this type of awesome videos just for you. And also comment down below the country from which you belong to, so that I can make videos which are optimized for your country, and so that you can take the first movers advantage and make the most amount of money utilizing these strategies as soon as possible. And also, most of the people don't watch the video till the end, and that's the reason why they never make money online. But just by watching these videos till the end and taking action on the strategy can make you real good income online, and you just need that patience to watch the video till the end if you are really serious about making money online. And the best thing is that this works all over the world, worldwide, so you could be making some good income online from any corner of the world. So now let's jump into the content and let's start. This is going to be a 4-step formula. Okay, so the step 1 is that you need to go to Chrome web store, and you just need to download this Chrome extension to your Chrome browser. Okay, now if you skip any of the steps of this video, you won't be able to understand this strategy and you won't be able to make money. So just keep watching this video. Okay, so you need to go and download this, okay, to your Chrome extension as a Chrome extension. Okay, so you just need to click on this add to Chrome button and you can add this extension to your Google Chrome. This is the step 1, and this is very important. Now you need to go to step 2, that is you need to go to AliExpress. No, we are not gonna do any drop shipping or any of that stuff. We are gonna utilize a very simple and awesome strategy to make this money. Okay, so don't worry about that. Okay, so now you just need to find some of the products which are having all these videos. Okay, and you just need to download those videos to your computer. Now you are going to use this Chrome extension to download this AliExpress videos to your computer. Okay, and it is also a very simple process, and all of you will be able to do because you are already having this Chrome extension through which you can download this AliExpress videos to your computer. Now that is the step first. Step 1 is use the Chrome extension. Step 2 is download AliExpress product videos utilizing that. Okay, in the end of the video I'm gonna show you what type of products you need to download and all that stuff. So keep watching this video because everything will be revealed. Okay, this is a little bit of different strategy. That's the reason why it may sound a bit more awkward in the beginning. Okay, so you need to just find this type of videos and you need to download this to your computer utilizing this Chrome extension. Okay, so that is completed. Now third step is going to be you are going to download 4 to 5 videos just like this. Okay, with different type of products. Okay, then what you need to do is you need to just go to this website which is known as Kladio.com, and what you can do is that you can merge all the videos, means edit all the videos with this website. Okay, and you can just join all the videos which you have downloaded into your computer. Okay, you can utilize Kladio.com, or you can also utilize OpenShot video editor which you can download to your computer absolutely for free. And you need to just download those videos, and then you need to join those videos, and then you need to provide a little bit of voiceover to those videos explaining what is the product in that video. For example, this is a kids watch, so you can give a voiceover like this is one of the best kids watch which you can get for your kids as soon as possible. So that is that kind of voiceover which you need to give to this videos. Okay, so there are a ton of tutorials which are available on YouTube which will teach you how to create voiceover videos with OpenShot. So you can just search those on YouTube and you could download these videos and join them, and you can just create a voiceover video utilizing this absolutely free video editor utilizing your computer. Okay, or you can also utilize Kladio for the same purpose. Both of these are video editor, but this is an online video editor which you can utilize for this strategy. Okay, so you have just got those two things up and ready for yourself. Okay, now let me show you how you are going to do this stuff and what kind of product you are going to utilize for this strategy. Okay, now this is also something which is really interesting. Now you can see there is a channel on YouTube which is known as Sell This Now. Wow, now what this channel does is that it is showcases the products that are ready to for the drop shipping. Okay, so you can sell this drop shipping product as soon as possible, and what they are basically doing is that they are downloading this AliExpress videos of the product, and then they are making a compilation list of, you can see, top 10 product winners to dropship right now. Okay, so this is in the Shopify dropshipping niche. That's the reason why the CPM of this channel is insanely very high, and that's the reason why people are making a ton of money. So you can see they are just showcasing this product demo over here in this video. So I cannot play the video, but let me show you what is that in their videos. Okay, which is really important and which is really amazing to understand, because this can really make you some good income online, and that is something which you require most. Okay, so you can see this ads are playing on
ads where people.
So you can see there are ads playing in this video, so that's the reason why you could be. So you can see this, all this type of really simple things which are happening in this video. This is the product video which is playing over here, and this is the product information which they have already copied and pasted from this. Okay, so there is the product information over here. You could just copy and paste that product information directly into your video editor and make a video just like this. Okay, and then they are just giving a slight voiceover, like this is one of the problem which is very good, this is one of the product which is very good, and you could just get this product. Okay, so that's the type of voiceover which they are giving on this video. Okay, you can just watch this video and understand what type of voiceover they are giving in this video, so that they are making good income online. Now this is in a Shopify dropshipping niche, and I know the CPM of this niche is very high. That could be, they could be earning more than $10 for every 1000 views in this niche, and that's the reason why they are getting less amounts of views, but they are making a killing with this strategy, and that's something which is really insane and really awesome for this type of channel. Okay, so they are just doing this stuff, making this compilation videos, and they are earning good money out of it, and you could be doing this stuff absolutely all by yourself and making this money. Let me show you the Social Blade. So you can see they are getting more than 80,000 views, and they are just making more than $20 for every 1000 views, and then you can just calculate it with 80,000. That's some insane amount of money, more than $5,000 every single month, just by creating this very simple compilation videos which they are doing nothing, just downloading those from AliExpress, giving a small bit of voiceover and copy pasting things, and they are just earning this ton of money with this strategy, more than $5,000 every single month, doing absolutely nothing, just by downloading and reposting content on YouTube. And that is something which is really insane, and most of the people of you will be able to do this stuff, but the thing is that it's not gonna happen overnight. It will take some time to grow your YouTube channel and to upload those videos to YouTube, but if you are consistent enough, in within 1 or 2 months you will be really able to make this good income online. And many of the people are doing this stuff and making some good income online, and you just don't need to create any content by yourself. Everything is done for you. You just need to copy and paste stuff, and you could start earning money online with this strategy. So definitely, if you got some value out of this video, and if you are gonna apply this new strategy and idea, smash the like button and also smash the subscribe button, and also you can just comment down below your country from which you belong to, so that I can make videos which are optimized for your countries as well. As we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video of ours.